Hi, excuse me. You are in my English class, right? I think you are sitting near the window. I am a little nervous, but I wanted to say hello. My name is Alex, and I am a student here too. Hi, yes, I am in that class. I am sitting near the window. Nice to meet you, Alex. My name is Emma. Emma Stone. You are right. We are classmates. But we never really talked before. Yes, that is true. We are in the same class, but we are always quiet. I am usually very shy. Today, I am trying to be more open. You are very friendly, so I feel a little more comfortable now. Thank you. I am friendly because I like meeting new people. English class is more fun when people talk. Are you enjoying the class so far? Yes, I am enjoying it. The class is interesting, but sometimes it is difficult. English grammar is not easy for me, but I am trying my best. Are you good at English? Well, I am not perfect, but I am okay. I am also learning. I think we are all students here, so we are all making mistakes. That is normal. Are you from this city? Are your parents from this city? Yes, I am from here. I was born here, and my family is here too. My father is an engineer, and my mother is a teacher. Oh, that's great. My dad is not an engineer, but he is a doctor. My mom is not a teacher, but she is a nurse. They are very intelligent. I am not from here. I am from another city. I moved last year for my studies. At first, I was nervous, but now I am comfortable. That is interesting. Moving to a new city is not easy. You are brave. I am already nervous just talking to you, so I can't imagine how hard that was. Well, you are doing fine. You are calm and you are polite. There is nothing to be nervous about. Are you studying or are you working too? I am studying right now. I am not working at the moment. I want to focus on my English first. English is very important for my future. That is true. English is very useful. I am studying too, but I am also working part time. It is a bit tiring, but it is okay. You are very responsible. I admire that. I I was thinking I mean English class is good, but sometimes studying alone is boring. Are you busy after class usually? After class, sometimes I am busy, sometimes I am not. It depends on the day and the teacher's homework. Why do you ask? Oh, you mean Mr. Trump? Yeah, he's very strict sometimes. I know. But he's not a bad teacher. Well, sometimes, yes, he is. Yeah, Mrs. Smith is a great teacher. She's not here now. Yeah, she's not in this country. But you didn't tell me. Why do you ask? Oh, no reason. I was just curious. I mean, knowing classmates is important. Friends are important. Are you usually busy on weekends? On weekends, I am usually free. Sometimes I study, sometimes I rest. I like walking and talking. What about you? Are you busy on weekends? I am usually free too. I stay at home a lot. I watch videos, I study, and I try to relax. I don't go out very much. I am not very social. That is okay. Not everyone is very social. Some people are quiet, and that is fine. Are you enjoying talking right now? Yes, I am enjoying it. I am nervous, but I am also happy. You are easy to talk to. I feel like you are a good person and beautiful. Thank you. You are kind. I think you are a good person too. You are respectful. I was thinking, I mean, I wanted to ask you something, but maybe it is a bad idea. Are you are you a morning person or a night person? A morning person. That is a funny question. I am not sure. Well, let's see. I like calm mornings. What about you? I am more of a night person. Nights are quiet and I feel more relaxed. I think I am overthinking everything right now. Sorry. Maybe a little, but it is okay. You are being yourself. That is not bad. I just feel like when I want to say something important, my mind changes direction. I start talking about other things. I can see that. But don't worry. What is important is that you are honest. And that's great. So, what do you really want to say? I I want to be clear now. I am nervous, but I will say it. I like talking to you. I like your smile. And I like your energy. Oh, I am surprised. I didn't expect that, but I appreciate your honesty. I can see that you are a good guy. Good for you. So, are you interested? I mean, are you interested in going out with me? Just a coffee. Nothing complicated, but just you and me. Coffee. Just you and me. You mean a date? No, thank you. Great. I knew you also liked me. Then what about tomorrow? Wait, you said no? You are joking, right? Did I hear well? You are so funny. I am not joking. I don't want. But you said I was nice. I am a good boy. That I am a good person. Oh, that comment. I needed to practice my English. I will be honest with you. I don't like guys who are very indecisive. And I think you are not a handsome boy. You are not my type. Well, I have to go now. Thank you for helping me with my English. We should have more conversations like this to practice. Take care. Yeah, sure. Take care. Okay, what happened here?